Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can unlock the new kit, the FC Pro. So I give you an example. Tap your club, tap the locker room, tap the kit, and this one, the FC Pro. I think this is my favorite new kit, white and light green. Compare this FC Mobile. I prefer this white one, FC Pro. Let's get back to the main page. So I made this video is for new player, the beginner that are new into this game. So previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So let's get to the Star Pass. You have to level up your Star Pass until 10 to get this new kit. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.